In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Airtable API key. Whether you're new to Airtable or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily access your API key when needed. First, let's head over to the Airtable website. Open your preferred web browser and type in airtable.com. Once you've arrived at the site, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your credentials and sign in. Now that you're on the Airtable homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options related to your account settings and preferences. From the drop-down menu, you want to select the option labeled Builder Hub. Clicking on this will take you to a new page specifically designed for developers and anyone looking to create integrations or automate tasks with Airtable. The Builder Hub is a central place where you can manage all your development tools and resources. Once you're on the Builder Hub page, look for the button that says Create Token. This is the key feature we'll be using to generate your API key. Clicking on Create Token will prompt Airtable to generate a new API token for you. This token is a unique identifier that allows external applications to interact with your Airtable data securely. It's important to note that your API token is sensitive information. You should treat it like a password and keep it secure. Avoid sharing it publicly or with anyone you don't trust, as it grants access to your Airtable data. After you've clicked on Create Token, Airtable will provide you with your new API key. Make sure to copy it and store it in a safe place. You might want to use a password manager to keep it secure and easily accessible whenever you need it for integrations or automated workflows. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained your Airtable API key. This key will enable you to connect your Airtable account with various applications, allowing you to automate tasks, create custom integrations, and enhance your productivity. Remember, if you ever suspect that your API key has been compromised, you can always return to the Builder Hub and create a new token to ensure your data remains protected. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy automating!